Hey guys, so let's unbox the latest phone from Nothing, the Nothing 4A Pro. Now the guys at Nothing sent me this device. It was supposed to be here, I think 2 weeks back, but because of Zimra. Anyway, here we are. Let's find out more about this device. Between FedEx and the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority, this is how the box arrived. Luckily, the Nothing 4A Pro was still in one piece. Anyway, Nothing sent me the pink variant of the Nothing 4A Pro. You can also get the 4A Pro in silver and black. On the box is the new camera design, which I think looks amazing. Now, at a time when most phone manufacturers are playing it safe, Nothing stays adventurous. I like that. In typical Nothing fashion, you will find a box in another box, plus a message and invite to join the Nothing community. You also get the Nothing SIM ejector too, a quick start guide, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, the same which was on the Nothing 3A from last year. Nothing was kind enough to include a transparent plastic phone case, which is a rarity these days. As soon as you pick up the Nothing 4A Pro, the first thing you'll notice is the weight. That is because this time they opted for an aircraft-grade aluminium metal unibody design. And that, coupled with the new camera design, you feel like you're holding a flagship device. The phone feels great in the hands. The 4A Pro features the world's first 140x ultra zoom periscope lens, a 50 megapixel main lens, an 8 megapixel wide, and the unmistakable glyph interface. The phone feels quite snappy when taking photos. Nothing also opted to keep the essential space button. Perhaps the best thing about the Nothing experience is the software. It's pretty much stock Android at this point. You don't have to worry about bloatware. Out of the box, the Nothing 4A Pro is running Android 16. Now, there's loads to love about the Nothing 4A Pro. Anyway, that's the first look of the Nothing 4A Pro. Now I'll be playing around with it a bit and I'll come back with the full review. In the meantime, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.